Could we soon find ourselves in an era where artificial intelligence exceeds human intelligence? It's a chilling question that has experts deeply concerned. Geoffrey Hinton, a pioneer in AI research, underscores the urgency of this issue. As we stand on the threshold of a potential AI revolution, many experts estimate that within the next 5 to 20 years, we could face an existential crisis. Intelligent machines that might not just assist us, but potentially dominate us. Hinton reveals that while the world is starting to take this threat seriously, there's still a significant gap in our understanding. "I'm still as concerned as I have been," he states, emphasizing that the reality of machines becoming smarter than us is no longer a distant sci-fi fantasy. This understanding is crucial, as these technologies are built on the very theories of how human intelligence works, particularly in understanding language. But the consequences of this intelligence could be dire. Hinton describes two major concerns. First, the advanced capabilities of large language models, which, while incredibly competent, possess a breadth of knowledge that far exceeds that of any individual. Imagine having 10,000 experts who can efficiently share what they learn. This model of learning and sharing could enable AI to grow beyond our control. Second, there's the stark reality of how we manage this technology. There's a chance they'll take control, Hinton warns, suggesting that this isn't just a hypothetical scenario, but a real threat. Many believe that regulation could contain AI's reach. However, Hinton points out that existing legislation often excludes military applications. As governments around the world explore AI for military uses, this creates a dangerous precedent. The potential for autonomous weapons systems capable of making life and death decisions raises ethical and existential questions we have yet to grapple with fully. This isn't just about efficiency or innovation, it's about safeguarding humanity from technology that could act independently. Hinton draws parallels with historical events, referencing the Manhattan Project and its aftermath. He expresses concern that much like nuclear technology, AI could lead to an arms race among nations. With leaders like Putin claiming that whoever controls AI controls the world, the stakes have never been higher. The speed of AI development in countries like China and Russia poses a significant challenge to global safety, making the need for international agreements even more critical. While the risks are clear, the societal implications are equally daunting. AI is set to disrupt numerous jobs, leading to an increase in wealth disparity. Hinton warns that if the wealth generated by AI isn't distributed fairly, it will exacerbate social inequalities, potentially fueling populist movements. This raises the pressing question of how we'll support those displaced by technology. Hinton advocates for universal basic income, but he emphasizes that this alone won't address the deeper issue of self-worth tied to employment. As AI continues to evolve, Hinton emphasizes the need for a reevaluation of our societal structures. We must ask ourselves, what does a future with AI look like, and how do we navigate the profound changes it brings? He suggests that the focus should not only be on regulation, but also on how to prepare for a society transformed by AI. For individuals looking to thrive in this new landscape, Hinton offers a sobering perspective on education and job security. With many mid-level intellectual jobs at risk, he suggests that practical skills, like plumbing, may become more valuable. These things aren't yet very good at physical manipulation, he notes, indicating that such jobs could be safe for the foreseeable future. However, roles like journalism may not be as secure. As AI capabilities in writing and content generation improve rapidly. In a world where the balance of power could shift dramatically, it's crucial to consider how we approach AI. Are we ready to confront the ethical dilemmas and practical challenges that come with it? As we look ahead, the conversation surrounding AI isn't just about technology. It's about our future as a society. The time to act is now, and it's essential that we engage in these discussions to shape a safe and equitable future.